Who are we? Let's find out in less than 60 seconds. CDN supports Scotland's colleges. We're the national agency helping colleges grow, connect and thrive. We're here to help you sharpen your skills, spark insights and stay ahead. We support college staff through professional learning and sector knowledge, from strategic networks and communities to events and courses in person and online. Through CDN Learn Online and the latest news, views, research and reports, we help you stay connected and informed. We showcase colleges across Scotland, sharing success and celebrating the innovation and impact, a national community of learning and support for all college staff at every level. Together, we're stronger. Learn more and discover your CDN at cdn.ac.uk and across our social media platforms.